Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am doing a ring pour in today's video, so I'm just going to jump in and get started. I am using a 16 by 20 canvas today, and I'm only going to be using 4 colors. Sometimes I just like just a few. I don't like to use too many colors. You can see that I'm pouring my paint down the side. I really think that helps with keeping better lines, more defined lines. And also all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, water, and a little bit of golden GAC 800. That is the pouring medium that I use pretty much all of my paints. Alright, so I am starting with my ring pour, and actually I am going to make the rings more oval shaped, a little more oblong, trying to create maybe something a little different. You know, I usually, when I am doing my ring pours, I usually stay more centered and smaller in the middle. So I thought I'd try a little bit something different. So for those of you that are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also don't forget to click the bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. You don't want to miss any. Alright, and for those of you that are already subscribed, welcome back. Alright, so now I am just trying to get the paint to cover as much of the canvas as I can before I go over. I do like to kind of take a look at what is happening with the color. If there's, you know, anything developing, something that I don't like, I can pour that off. You can see that the gold looks like it's taking over. I do love using this gold and copper in particular. It is the Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold, and the copper is also the Extreme Sheen. So I do like those colors, are nice and bright. And I think right here I'm going to finally go off the edge there. And you can also see that as I'm stretching it, the copper is coming out a little bit more, and I like how the Payne's gray has mixed with the gold, and it's almost creating like a green, has like a green look to it, and I'm loving how it looks earthy. I love these colors. They blended really nice together. Okay, so I'm almost done with covering it. I've got one more corner to get. I'm just going to try to center the paint a little bit because I kind of like what's going on the left side there. Now I know I have to get that left corner covered, but I'm just going to cover it, and then I'm going to quickly kind of go back and then center it again. Now I'm loving the composition. I think it flows really, really nice, and look at those lines. It looks super cool so far. Alright, so now I am going to get my torch and lightly go over it just in case there are any air bubbles. I do notice here, you'll see in the wet results, that I have some cells that are developing. Now these are all natural cells because I did not use any silicone in my paints. I don't use silicone a lot, so usually my cells are natural, and there you can see some right there. And I love that it's minimal. I don't like when cells take over. So far I think it looks super cool, and I hope that it dries with minimal cells as well. So I guess I'll cross my fingers and see. So stay tuned for the dried results. Okay guys, so here's the dried result, and I am super happy with how it looks. The copper came out more, and the gold is not as dominant, so I do like that. And also I did get some more cells, not too many though, so I'm happy about that as well. And I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, also leave those in the comments too, because I do read all the comments, and I will answer all of your questions if you have any. Alright, so don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if there's someone you think may enjoy this video, go ahead and share it with them. Alright, and I do have a lot of other videos that I know you will enjoy, so just go ahead and click the link there on the left, and I'll catch you in my next video.